I remember the first day that I ever saw you. I knew that I loved you when I saw you, and I just like.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Kay. If you already haven't, go ahead and subscribe. And today I'm just going to show you how I maintain my short, natural cut. So we're going to jump right into it. I just got my hair cut because it was looking extremely rough, and I just do not like it when it grows out, and it just, I just like it real short. So today I just got it faded a little bit on the sides, and I haven't washed it yet. I'm just going to show y'all what I look like when I left the barber shop. So I'm going to just turn around so you can see it. And I'm just going to go ahead and wash it, and I'll be back to show you the products that I use and just my procedure before I go to sleep. Okay, so I'm back to show you the products that I use in my hair, and what I'm going to use is just some mousse. You can use whatever type of mousse that you like. I'm just going to use the Lotta body, thanks to my mom. And then a gel. I have the Eco Gel, this purple one. It's a curl and wave. You can see it's almost gone because this is a really good one. And then I have some Aloe Vera gel. I would say you can use either one. I'm gonna try the Aloe Vera because I found this just rambling through my stuff, and it says it's for face, hair, and body. And aloe vera is pretty good, so I'm gonna try this. But I usually use just the Eco Gel or whatever. And then I kind of want it to be kind of slightly curly, slightly wavy, so I'm gonna use this Carefree Curl Gold Instant Activator. Then I also just have my do-rag and just a brush. So it's still a little damp, but I think I want it a little more damp. Okay, so I wanted my hair a little more damp, so I'm just gonna spray it with some water, because that just really helps get it nice and curly. Make sure it's nice and damp. Then I'm going to start with just the aloe vera gel or the Eco Gel, whichever one you prefer. Wow, this smells amazing. OMG, you can see I have not used this, but we're gonna try it out. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. And I'm just gonna apply it through and through. Gotta make sure I work on the crown because that part never really wants to lay down in the front, because I usually have cowlicks and I don't like that. So we're just gonna make sure it's in there. Okay, and now I'm going to apply the curl or instant activator, just a little bit of that because we don't want too much product. I'm just gonna make sure that gets in there. And now I'm going to brush it. So I usually do 3 pumps. And I'm just going to put that into my hair. I want to make sure this is really in there because this kind of holds my hair in place. But once that's on there, we are going to brush again. Now I have my do-rag. I'm gonna put it on my head. And a tip, if you don't want to just throw it on your head, you want to kind of place it because you don't want to mess up the way that you brushed. And you want to make sure the line is centered. So when you tie it, it's nice and even. And another thing, don't tie it too tight. I've learned that I usually tie my stuff really tight and it leaves you with a really ugly do-rag line, which is not cute. So once you got it nice and on there, bring it to the front. Do a little tie. Make sure it's on there nice and snug. Pull it down. Then bring it back to the back. Do another knot. And just a little bow to secure it. And just pull it down. And really, that is all I do. And I'm gonna come back in the morning and show you guys how it looks. Yeah, the steps are really easy. I like short hair because it's just easy to maintain, but I'm gonna come back in the morning and show you guys how my hair turned out. All right, guys, so I am back. It is the morning time, and I'm just gonna show you how my hair turned out. A bit of a rough sleeper, but I think it did all right. I'm gonna just brush my kitchen real quick. The edges. Now you can spray some oil or just, you know, rub some oil through it, but I just let it ride natural. So I'm gonna do a little spin around. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I do to my hair and how I maintain it. I'm gonna throw on some earrings and I'll be right back. Well, okay guys, this concludes the end of my video. I just want to say thank you for watching. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think. You know, short hair, don't care. And with that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.